Now, just a reminder of our feedback question this evening. How are you feeling ahead of the arrival of Tropical Storm Melissa? And you can share the comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Up first this evening, Tropical Storm Melissa has stalled in territorial waters in the Caribbean and is expected to linger for another week.
The system's standstill has left the public uneasy, with some growing anxious despite the absence of any major impact so far.
But the tropical storm warning and hurricane watch remain in effect.
Details in this report.
Tropical Storm Melissa continues to move slowly in the Caribbean Sea, but its current path keeps it on a track that's edging closer to Jamaica. While Melissa isn't strengthening rapidly, it could still cause significant disturbance, especially for southern and eastern parishes.
The projected movement will take it first to the northwest and then to make a change to move directly west, practically west. Now, at that point, that's when we are expecting that the system will become a hurricane. It is currently a tropical storm. It will continue, or is expected to continue, moving westward, and the point that is just south of Clarendon, the center of the island, is where we expect it to become a major hurricane. That means it would become a Category 3 or more hurricane, continuing to move westward.
The latest bulletin shows the storm 345 kilometers southeast of Kingston, moving at 4 kilometers per hour. While it's moving slowly, it has shown a slight drift away from Jamaica. It's a sign of hope. However, Principal Director at the Met Service of Jamaica, Evan Thompson, says it does not mean the system is moving away.
Because that could be very short-lived. The center has been relocated a couple of times, and so that's why it seems that it is actually drifting in that general direction away from us. But it is so slow, it's actually moving at just about 2 kilometers per hour, which tells us we could walk faster than that. So it's not impressive in terms of its movement toward or away from Jamaica. The track remains the same.
With Jamaicans on high alert, the government is insisting its communication mechanisms have been strengthened. Minister of Water, Environment and Climate Change Matthew Samuda again urged Jamaicans to stay calm and rely only on official information.
We have been putting additional support for the communication needs of the Met Service in place, so that you're able to get the information in a timely fashion and get the accurate information.
Despite the uncertainty around Tropical Storm Melissa, what's clear is that Jamaica could be impacted for quite some time.
This is a slow-moving system that is expected to remain in our territorial waters for a long time. It has already been here for almost a week, and this is likely to continue for almost another week. We are continuing to watch the movements.
The government has now declared Jamaica a threatened area. The declaration came just hours after ODPEM outlined the areas which could face the brunt of Tropical Storm Melissa under current projections.
This was Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness Friday afternoon as he explained why he would soon declare a national disaster for the island as Tropical Storm Melissa approaches.
And that is the framework within which we will operate. Certainly.